Russian numbers looks absolutely terrifying to beginners. All those long words, changing endings, and strange sounds. But here's the truth, they are not hard at all. In fact, it's completely logical. Once you master the numbers from 1 to 20 and then learn how to say 10, 20, 30, you can literally build any number all the way up to 1000. It works exactly like a Lego system. You just snap the pieces together. In this video, I'm going to teach you the whole system from 1 to 1000, and I promise you will actually remember that by the time this video ends. Let me show you how it works. Phase 1. The absolute foundation. We need the first 10 numbers. Without them, nothing else works. I want you to listen to the sounds first and then say them out loud with me. Don't just watch, participate. Are you ready? Let's go. Say it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, notice the soft T at the end, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now let's do a rapid fire run. Just look at my hands and repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You need to get these 10 numbers to a level where they are automatic. If you need to, pause the video right now, rewind, and repeat them 3 more times. Done. Let's move to the next layer of a legal system. Now for numbers 11 to 19, English has a weird system. You have words like 11 and 12, which doesn't sound like 1 and 2. And then you switch to 13, 14, it's confusing. In Russian, it's much easier because we use a strict formula. The formula is simple. You take the single digit from our first list and you just add the suffix nadsat. Historically, the suffix literally means on top of 10. Not 10 in Russian. Let's look at how it works on a paper. To make 11, we take 1 and add nadsat. It merges together, we drop the last vowel and we get 11. Notice the double N here, 11. Let's do 12. We take 2, modify it slightly to 2 and add nadsat. We get 12. 13, we take 3 and add nadsat, 13. 14, 4 plus nadsat, 14. This rule works all the way to 19. Let's read them together. Pay attention to the stress. It always falls right before or on the suffix. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And finally, number 20 follows the same logic. It literally means 2 tenths, 20. Once you see the structure pattern, you don't have to memorize 9 individual words. You just apply the formula automatically. Phase 3. Counting by tens and hundreds. Let's start with tens. For most part, they are predictable. 20 is 20. 30 is 30, which literally means 3 tenths. But now we are approaching the traps. Warning, number 40 completely breaks the system. Textbooks will never explain why, they just tell you to memorize it. It's not 40, it's 40, just 5 letters. S, O, R, O, K. Let's go to our special DLC of our legal game. After that, we go back to the powerful beat. 50, 60, 70, and 80. Just take a base number and add 10, which means tens. 50, 60, 70, 80, and then boom, another irregular trap, number 90. It's not 90, it's 90. Why? Because language history loves to test your patience. Just remember 40 is 40, 90 is 90. Everything else follows the system. 100 is a short, sharp word. 100. Now, what about the hundreds? They follow their own beautiful pattern and you can learn it in exactly 30 seconds. 100 in Russian it will be 100. 200 is 200. 300 is 300. 400 is 400. See how 300 and 400 end in sta. For 500 to 900, the ending changed to soft sot. You just take the base number and add sot on the end of it. 500, 500. 600, 600. 700, 700. 800, 800. 900, 19. Wait, no, it's 900. And finally, 1000 is 1000. That is it. You now have all the individual blocks. Let's start snapping them together. Now comes the fun part. Let's build the complex numbers. In English you say 547. In Russian you do the exact same thing word for word. You just lay out the blocks in a line. Let's build 547 together. 547. So a first block, what is it? 500. It's a 500. Second block, what is a 40? Remember the trap, it's 40. And third block, what is a 7? It's 7. To put them together, 547. Look at that, you just said 547 in Russian. No complex grammar, no hidden rules, just literal translation of the blocks. Let's do one more to make sure we've got it. Let's build 892. Block 1, 800 is 800. Block 2, 900. Wait, 90 is our second trap, it's 90. Block 3, 2 is 2. Say it loud with me. 892. Brilliant! You can now take any combination used with blocks we learned today and create any number up to 1000 on your own. Knowing the system is one thing, but making it automatic takes actual practice. You don't want to be doing math in your head when a Russian taxi driver tells you the price or when someone gives you their phone number. To help you lock this into your long-term memory, I've prepared a premium Patreon homework pack for this week. It contains exactly 20 real-life practical exercises focusing on real-world scenarios, analyzing prices, understanding dates, and writing down phone numbers from audio clips. It is the fastest way to make numbers a native skill for you. It's just $5 a month. You can cancel it anytime, and the link is right down below in the description. Don't forget to like this video if it made numbers simpler for you. Drop a comment with your birth year written in Russian words and subscribe for more real practical lessons. See you next week. Пока.